Okay, so as I was doing the channel messages from the dictionary itself, I ended up being drawn to the clock, and then I started playing around with all the numbers and stuff like that, and I thought it was really interesting because if you got the 12 hour is 6 if you add them all up and reduce, and then 24 hour is 5. Then I went for halves. So that would either be 4 or 12. 1 and 2 is 3. Same over here, 1 and 2 is 3. So it's like either 12 or 4, because if you put the 2 over top, like overlapping the 2 before the 1, then it's the symbol for Jupiter. And I said this, I keep saying this so many times, I repeat it over and over again. Yeah, the only way to stop the cycle from starting over. 3, 6, 9, 12, 1 and 2 is 3, goes back to that, or 3, 6, 9, and 4. See? So yeah, I played around with the clocks. I thought it was interesting. 12:15 equals 9 or 3 o'clock. 12:30 is 6 or 6 o'clock. 12:45 is 12, which is 3 or 9 o'clock. Right, and I was just playing around. I don't know if you've ever done this. I never used to like numbers. I used to really dislike math when I was growing up. In fact, I despised it. And then all of a sudden, about 2.5 years ago, I was really into, actually maybe even 3 or 4, I was really into gematria. I started getting right in there. And then I started learning more about the ties between letters and numbers and symbols, and then I brought out my old rune drawings and stuff like that, because I used to do rune drawings since I was like maybe 8 or 9 years old, and I was fascinated by them. And I even used to do like Chinese symbols and alchemic symbols and astrology and all those symbols. But when I was younger, I didn't know what they meant. I just drew them. Like on everything. When you're doodling, I just drew them on everything. And then when I got older, as I said, about 4 years ago, I started doing research and learning and stuff, when I started connecting everything, and all of it's coming together, and it's like I was meant to play around and just see what I get out of it, I guess. Anyways, yeah.